Have you ever wondered if there's a magical potion that can help you burn body fat and sleep like a baby all at once? Well, buckle up, because today, I'm revealing the secret to a simple yet powerful concoction that combines chamomile tea with cinnamon, lemon, and apple cider vinegar. Not only will this help you shed those extra pounds, but you'll also enjoy deep, restful sleep. And stick around for a fun fact that'll blow your mind. We all know chamomile tea is famous for its soothing and calming properties, but did you know it can also help you lose weight? That's right. Chamomile tea aids in digestion and can reduce bloating, making you feel lighter and more energetic. Plus, it helps reduce stress, which is a major factor in weight gain. But the magic doesn't stop there. We're spicing things up with a dash of cinnamon. This wonder spice can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower insulin resistance, making it easier for your body to burn fat. Now, you might be wondering how apple cider vinegar fits into this mix, right? Well, ACV is a powerhouse that can boost your metabolism and help you feel fuller for longer. And let's not forget the lemon, which adds a refreshing kick and aids in digestion as well. Now let's get to the recipe. It's super easy and takes no more than a couple of minutes. First, brew a cup of chamomile tea, and while it's steeping, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Next, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of cinnamon. Give it a good stir, and voila! Your fat-burning, sleep-inducing potion is ready. For best results, drink this magical tea about an hour before bedtime. The chamomile will work its magic to relax your mind and body, while the other ingredients will help your body burn fat while you sleep. Now, as promised, here's that fun fact I mentioned earlier. Did you know that chamomile is actually related to the daisy family? Yep, these seemingly ordinary flowers pack quite a punch when it comes to health benefits. So there you have it. A simple, delicious, and effective way to burn body fat and sleep deeply, all in one cup. Give it a try tonight, and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Sweet dreams and happy fat burning.